'Tis the season for sneezing and sniffling. For many people, springtime kicks off seasonal allergies here in northeastern and central Pennsylvania. And despite the warmer winter, allergists haven't seen an increase in patients. Newswatch 16's Amanda Eustice spoke with an allergist and has more on what you can expect this season.
As signs of spring begin to show on Broadway in downtown Jim Thorpe, people like Molly Tamaris from the Mahoning Valley are starting to feel its side effects. Allergies.
I have to wear makeup every day now because to cover up the dark under my eyes, it doesn't look like I went 9 rounds with Mike Tyson. And your nose waking up every morning with your nose all blocked up, not as fun as you would think.
Between drinking tea and taking Allegra and Benadryl, Tamaris is hoping her symptoms get better.
The spring thaw came early, so you really feel it. Now you're going to feel it a lot longer. Yeah. I think well into fall.
But despite the mild winter we've had, allergist Robert Zembel with Lehigh Valley Health Network says spring allergies are starting on time and pollen levels are average for this time of year.
So I was expecting a earlier season, but right near the end of the winter, it started to get a little colder again. So the levels weren't as high as I was expecting as early.
If you have seasonal allergies like me, early spring buds like this may not be helping. That's why allergists are encouraging you to start taking medicine earlier this year.
Now is definitely the time to start medicines before you're miserable. So if you get symptoms every spring has started, it's time.
Dr. Zembel also says people should work to keep the outdoors outside.
Windows shut and air on at home and in the car. If you've been outside, don't sleep in the same clothes that you were outside with. You can take off your shoes when you come inside. Don't hang things outside that are going to go on your body. And then be careful with your pets as well, because they're going to be collecting pollen as they're running around outside.
While the season is off to a slow start, Dr. Zembel says he expects it to ramp up over the next 2 weeks when pollen levels get higher. Amanda Eustice, Newswatch 16, Carbon County.